Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's tap on eye comfort. And before we'll be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So you can either tap on this switcher at the top or the schedule. So whenever you will pick the schedule, you can set the start and the end time, so your device will basically automatically apply the mode in specific hours. Up to you. I prefer this one. And as you can see, after turning on, your device will change the colors of the screen, and they are more yellowish. It is basically to filter the blue light, and it will much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then it is the best option to use. Here we've got the color temperature, and by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer, and it is really yellow. So it's up to you, of course, which intensity is the best for you. So this is the whole customization basically. Let me quickly show you the schedule. Simply tap on the start time, and just by swiping change the time, tap on OK, and the end time, the same situation. And your device will of course turn on and off the mode accordingly. Alright, so as I said, that was the customization, and much faster access to this option you will have through the the status bar on this notification bar. Simply unroll it fully. Okay, we've got a Greek here. Unroll it fully, and right here we have to find proper icon. As you can see, in my case it is not visible here, but no worries. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and here we have to find eye comfort. It is right here, so let's tap on it and hold it and drag it to this first position. Now we can go back, and as you can see right now it is visible here. Of course, right now it is turned on. You can turn it off and on, of course, just by tapping on this icon accordingly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.